Here I have INFINIX Note 30 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap next. Then you have to select your country or region, could be United Kingdom for me, tap next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there's no open network around you, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you should disable these switchers here. Then tap I have read and agreed to the above terms, tap next. Then disable these switchers here, tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can transfer files from your previous mobile device, or you can just skip it and set up device as new. Then you have to select the system navigation method, could be buttons or gestures. I suggest you to use gestures. You can go through gestures tutorial if you don't know how to use it, or just tap next, and device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.